So I'm not too worried about having a traumatic life here on earth. And my life at the moment, I have around about, on the average, 2 million spirits all day, every day attacking me, on the average. That's my average day, every day. Most of them want to kill me, and they do everything they possibly can to create events and circumstances where they can. And if I don't live in harmony, love and truth, I'd be dead by now. Right? And it's every day. And then when we go to somewhere like Brussels, when we first arrived, there were 12 million. Yep. And that's why it was different for me. I could put up with a couple of million a day, but 12 million was a bit more intense. You follow? And they were just attacking me every day. No sleep, couldn't sleep at all. Didn't sleep for 7 days straight. No sleep. And I'm going, but is it worth it? Yes, because this tells me I'm doing good. If that many spirits want to get into me, I'm doing pretty good. It means that I'm progressing. It means that I'm working my way through it. But it's tough. There's times when it's tough. Like, most of you have no idea what it's like to be first in something. You know? The very first people who learned how to fly, it was tough for them. Everybody criticised them, made fun of them, ridiculed them. They didn't want to help them. It was very rare that they got help from anybody. They had to do it all themselves. They had to work hard at it. They basically put the rest of their life on hold to do it, almost. You know, and now most of us fly. You know, we get in a plane and fly here and there and everywhere without even thinking about those people. And yet they deserve our honour and respect because they were first, right?